Hello students, this is our 8th lecture of lesson number 2, that is mechanical properties of fluids. I am Kirti Patil from SR Patil Junior College Akola. Students, in this lecture we will discuss about angle of contact. So at first, what is angle of contact? Angle of contact is the angle at which a liquid interface meets a solid surface. It is denoted by theta. The droplet of water or liquid is in contact with the solid surface, which is leaf. This liquid surface makes some angle with the solid surface. This angle is known as angle of contact. The angle of contact theta between a liquid and a solid surface is defined as the angle between the tangents drawn to the free surface of the liquid and surface of the solid at the point of contact measured with the liquid. Then next, here we have discussed, that is, characteristics of angle of contact. First characteristics is that the angle of contact is constant for a given liquid solid pair. Second one is the value of angle of contact depends upon nature of liquid and solid in contact. Then third characteristic is it depends upon the medium which exists above the free liquid surface. Number 4 is the angle of contact changes due to impurity or temperature. And number 5 characteristic is a small contamination of the surface causes a large change in the angle of contact. These are the characteristics of angle of contact. In examination, you have to ask the question, what do you mean by angle of contact, and state its characteristics. Then, do you at first we have to discuss here, that is, when the angle of contact is acute, the liquid forms a concave meniscus that is shown in this figure at the point of contact. When the angle of contact is obtuse, it forms a convex meniscus. In first diagram, you have seen that is concave meniscus is due to liquid which partially wet a solid surface, and in second diagram you have seen that is the convex meniscus due to liquid which do not wet a solid surface. you know for example, a water glass interface forms a concave meniscus, and mercury glass interface forms a convex meniscus. In first diagram you have seen that concave meniscus, and that concave meniscus forms water glass interface forms a concave meniscus. जेव्हा water and glass, these two are in contact, then you have getting concave meniscus, and when mercury and glass are in contact, then you have getting convex meniscus. When we observe the level of water in a capillary, we note down the level of the tangent to the meniscus inside the water. When we observe the level of mercury in a capillary, we note down the level of tangent to the meniscus above the mercury column. Then we have to discuss here different cases of liquid solid interaction. That means by using shape of meniscus, we have to getting three different cases of liquid solid interaction. That is, first case we have getting acute angle of contact, that is the concave meniscus. Then second case is obtuse angle of contact, that is convex meniscus. and third condition is zero angle of contact. One by one we will discuss here that conditions. For that, the question is that explain why the free surface of some liquid in contact with a solid is not horizontal, or explain the formation of concave and convex surface of liquid on the basis of molecular theory. At first, here we have to discuss common diagram. That is, suppose a liquid molecule A is situated on the liquid surface near the wall of a container. And this wall is shown in the figure, and the molecule experience both adhesive and cohesive force. Since the wall is vertical, the molecule A is acted upon by a net adhesive force exerted horizontally by the molecules of the solid AP, that is Fa. है ना? For AP, that exerted force is Fa. Net cohesive force exerted at nearly 45 degree to either of the surfaces by the molecules of liquid AQ. That is, that force on AQ is Fc. है ना? That can be shown in the diagram. The behavior of the molecule depends upon two forces, that is Fa and Fc. Then this is the common diagram, and then we have to condition here cases, that three cases. First case is acute angle of contact. Net adhesive force between liquid and solid on molecule A is greater net cohesive force between liquid molecules, that is Fa is greater than Fc, है ना? That is resultant force Fr is directed inside solid. In this diagram you have seen clearly that, है ना? In this diagram Fa is greater than Fc. For equilibrium or stability of a liquid surface, the net force Fr acting on the molecule A must be normal to the liquid surface at all points. For the resultant force Fr to be normal to the tangent, the liquid near the wall should pile up against the solid boundary so that the tangent AT to the liquid surface is perpendicular to Fr. Thus, this makes the meniscus concave. Such liquid weights that solid surface. Angle of contact is here acute. In this diagram, that angle of contact is acute. An example for that case is kerosene in a glass bottle. है ना? This is the example, that is acute angle of contact. Then second case we have discussed here, that is obtuse angle of contact. Net adhesive force between liquid and solid on molecule A is less than resultant cohesive force between liquid molecule, that is Fa is less than Fc. Resultant force Fr is directed inside liquid. In this diagram, you have shown that for equilibrium or stability of a liquid surface, the net force Fr acting on all molecules similar to molecule A must be normal to the liquid surface at all points. The liquid near the wall should therefore creep inside against the solid boundary. This makes the meniscus convex so that its tangent AT is normal to Fr. है ना? In first case, that AT is perpendicular to Fr. है ना? In this diagram you have seen that AT is perpendicular to Fr. But in this case, in obtuse angle case, that AT is normal to Fr. Such a liquid does not weight that solid surface. Angle of contact is obtuse. For example, mercury in a glass bottle. Then third case is zero angle of contact. Liquid molecules near the contact region are very less number such that Fc is negligible. That is, Fc is equal to 0. Net adhesive force itself is the resultant force, that is Fr is equal to Fa. Therefore, tangent AT is along the wall within the liquid. In this diagram, you have to show that angle of contact is almost 0. For example, pure water in clean glass. This is the example for 0 angle of contact. Now, acute angle example is kerosene in glass bottle. Then for obtuse angle example is mercury in glass bottle, and for 0 angle of contact example is pure water in clean glass. Then next expression we will discuss here, that is for a solid liquid interaction derive the conditions for acute and obtuse angle of contact. Consider a hypothetical liquid having angle of contact 90 degree with a solid container. The molecule experience both adhesive and cohesive force. Since the wall is vertical, the molecule A is acted upon by a net adhesive force exerted horizontally by the molecule of the solid AP as Fa. Net cohesive force exerted at nearly 45 degree to either of the surface by the molecules of liquid AQ as Fc. Then the net cohesive force Fc is exactly at 45 degree with either of the surface, and the resultant force Fr is exactly vertical. For this to occur, Fa is equals to Fc by under root 2, where Ar is equal to Fr is the magnitude of the net force. From this, we can conclude that for acute angle of contact, Fa is greater than Fc upon root 2, and for obtuse angle of contact, that is Fa is less than Fc upon under root 2. These two equations is important for for solving MCQs. So in this lecture, we have to discuss about definition of angle of contact and characteristics of this angle of contact, and then we have to discuss the formation of concave and convex surface of liquid on the basis of molecular theory, and the relation between or the conditions for acute and obtuse angle of contact. Thank you.